Clearborough, North Dallas, 2023 G Wagon, full wrap stealth, paint protection film over black. Let's take a quick walk around this so I can get on with my day. Basically what we're going to show you is how we get all the edges nice and tight so we don't show any gloss paint through. These come off real simple to go underneath. To get these to the edges, no problem, all the way wrapped in. This comes off so we can get the bumper in nice and perfect. Just 2 bolts take it out. The emblem pops off, no problem, so we get no gloss paint there. All the edges on the hood for the motor get fully wrapped in, nice and clean. The vent up top pops out with some clips. Used to be a different style, but now it's easier. This windshield was tinted on the inside with XR Plus, on the outside with the windshield protection film. Coming around these flares, fully edge to edge all the way under, the full piece. All these came off and went back on. Door handles did not come out, we just went around them. There's a slight seam underneath here that's hard to see. All this is all wrapped in, all these came out. Everything's in nice and perfect. The I-beam here fully done all the way across. Coming in on our doors and our quarter, our fuel port. This molding came off so you don't see any gloss lines at all. And much more of the same around here. This vent comes out real easy, goes back in, no problem. Spare wheel done as well. Cover and the shroud here. And AMG and this G63 all came off and went back on. You'll see there's no gloss paint. And the same over here, we took these off all the way down so there's no gloss paint shown. And there it is, G Wagon. Sorry for the quick run, I got a lot to do. But there it is, getting all the edges. Takes a little bit of time, but it's rewarding in the end. So 2023 G Wagon full stealth on black paint protection film with Xpel's product, full window tint with Xpel's XR Plus, and a windshield protection film by can't remember the name of it now, but anyway, if you want to know, just write me. Thanks for watching. Clearborough, North Dallas.com, 214-414-3809. Take care.